This quick video is about how to remove your Gmail account from Gmail app on iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open your Gmail app, then click here. Here you can see all your Gmail. Then on the bottom you can see this option manage accounts on this device. Click that. Yeah. Now turn off the sync option on all Gmail accounts you want to remove. Just like that. Then tap remove from this device. Remove. That's it. Then again click sign in. Likewise remove these all accounts. Just like that. Then finally click done. That's it. Now you successfully removed all the Gmail accounts from the Gmail app on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.